Welcome to Mastercreds. In today's video, we're going to be doing a tool review.
Yes, we're going to be going into detail about this EISTAKAO LED working light.
The first thing that we'll point out about this EISTAKAO working light is the capability of folding. We really like this feature because unlike one of these traditional flashlights, it does get a lot smaller once you fold it and it's easy to carry around. For the price, this working light seems to be built very well. It has three buttons. It has a button to bring the intensity up, one to bring the intensity down, and then the center button is to turn it on, to turn it off, or to change modes. It has LED indicators to let you know the amount of charge that is left on the work light. To charge this working light, we have a small USB port and it has a cover so that no grime gets into it. It also has a small clip in the back that allows you to carry it around by clipping it to any of your clothing. This is perhaps my favorite feature of this working light because of the ability of rotating 270 degrees. It makes it really easy to illuminate when you get into tight spaces in the engine compartment or really in any tight space where it's not easy to get the light to. And just as they advertised, the magnetic base is very strong and it holds to the metal of the car very well. You can see here an example of how I'm putting my work light in the hood of the car so that I have my hands free to work on the car. Let's talk now about how powerful this work light is. How bright is it? As you guys can see in this video, this work light is plenty powerful to see anything you might want to see under the hood, under the car, or in any dark place. We went ahead and compared this work light to another work light that I have that is a little bit more expensive to see what the results would be. This is our engine bay illuminated by our more expensive work light, and this is our engine bay illuminated by our EISTAKAO light. Again, 1 and 2. As you can see, um, they are both plenty powerful, and for the price, the EISTAKAO, I would say it's a great value. The EISTAKAO also has this mode of red light flashing, which could become pretty useful in any situation where you are in the side of the road or in any emergency situation where you want to be seen. So that's a pretty cool feature.
The time is 12:26 and it is fully charged. We'll leave it charging, or we'll leave it on and see how long the battery lasts.
We did check the longevity of the battery on these work lights, and just as advertised, you get about 3 hours of continuous usage of the light at its highest setting. This is it for our review on the EISTAKAO work light. Definitely a solid buy that we would recommend if you're looking for a work light. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.